Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make aloe vera ajwain ginger tea. This is a very healthy drink and an immunity booster. Make it a practice to drink a cup of this healthy aloe vera ginger tea in the morning for best results. This helps in weight loss and improves your digestion. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a saucepan. Into this add 2 cups of water. Keep the flame in medium throughout the process. When the water comes to a boil, add 4 aloe vera gel cubes. Let this boil for 2 minutes in medium flame. I've already made a video on how to cut and separate the aloe vera cubes. I'll be giving the video link in the description box. You can check on it. After 2 minutes, the aloe vera is nicely boiling. To this, add a teaspoon of ajwain. Let this again boil for 2 minutes in medium flame. Ajwain helps in digestive health, improves the flow of stomach acid which relieves indigestion and bloating, prevents from infections, lowers blood pressure and gives relief from cough and congestion. After 2 minutes, to this add a piece of crushed ginger. Let this again boil for 2 more minutes. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted to the water. We're not going to add any sweetening ingredients in this tea today. If you want, you can add half teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this aloe vera ajwain ginger tea is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredient. It's been 2 minutes now and the flavors of the ginger, ajwain and the aloe vera has come together very well. Finally, off the flame and add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Let this rest for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, strain the aloe vera ajwain ginger tea and serve it nice and hot. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this aloe vera ajwain ginger tea recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.